super. All right, my foot's falling asleep because I'm sitting on the floor. There's my cat. Does anybody else only wear pajamas all the time now? Because it can't just be me. What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders. This is my channel. We talk about makeup, skincare, sometimes we cook, and I almost always drop something. So if you're interested in any of those things, make sure you stick around, give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Ring that notification bell so you don't miss my future videos. Today, we're just doing a get ready with me featuring some new products in my collection. I have already done part of my makeup. I did already put my foundation on for this video. I used my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. I really do like this. I only used like a little tiny bit and just kind of evened out my skin tone with this. I used my Kat Von D Shade Plus Light contour palette just to set everything with this powder right here. And I did do my brows using my Sleek Makeup eyebrow pencil, and to set it, I used my Benefit 24-hour brow setter. Now this is a new product to me and I really like it. So far so good. Good job, Benefit. I've heard just nothing but good things about this brow setting gel and I really do enjoy it. So just gonna throw that in there before we get into today's video. Now we're just doing a get ready with me. These are some products that I haven't used on my channel. Some of them I haven't used at all. Some of them I've used once or twice and that's about it. So we're gonna get right into it. If you love makeup, there's my cat. He's just gonna sit there and play now. So if you love makeup, you'll probably like what I talk about here on my channel. The first thing I am going to do is I'm gonna prime my eyes using my e.l.f. Putty Primer. This is in the shade Rose. This is a very similar consistency to my MAC paint pot. I really like this. I picked this up from Ulta when I was in Florida. I like to use a brush, just a little bit. You don't need a lot. I just want to make sure I have something else on my eyelids. It blends out really well with a brush. This is just my BH Cosmetics 128. This came from my Sculpt and Glow 2, I believe. Speaking of BH Cosmetics, I need to order from them. I love their products. I don't have anything from BH Cosmetics in this little sit down. Well, I'll have to sit down and film with some products from them this week, I guess. All right, my foot's falling asleep because I'm sitting on the floor. I'm sitting on the floor because I can't decide how I like to film still. Like over a year into my channel, and I'm like, I still don't know where I like to film. I am moving. We're moving. October 1st, we are moving. I'm so excited. It's the tiniest little cottage. I can't wait to show you guys. I am going to film a video from here before because I've never done a whole house tour. But I'm really excited to share that with you guys. And I'm really excited to film there because it's right by the lake and it's just, I can't even tell you. I vision where I'm going to sit and film in that space and I'm so excited. All right, stop rambling me. All right, we're gonna use this palette. I haven't used this on my channel. Like I haven't actually sat down and filmed a look with the Midnight Masquerade palette from Disney collection from ColourPop. So we're gonna do that today. I have no idea what I want to do though. I think the first thing I'll do is I'll go in with the shade Damsel. That's this one right here. And just as a transition shade, this is just a no-name crappy brush from Wish, and I love it. Like, I love it. It's such a nice fluffy brush just for that first, like, buffing something into the crease. It's perfect. Okay, let's go in. It's just a nice, soft, like, dusty rose almost. I never reach for this palette, and I just don't know. I don't know why. I love ColourPop. This one, I just don't know if this one's my favorite. I like the formula of their eyeshadows, hands down. The one palette from them that I really want is the Kathleen Lights So Jaded, because I just feel like I would love that. Now, don't get me wrong, I really like this. I don't reach for it enough. I totally plan on sitting down and filming me ranking the ColourPop palettes that I have that I've actually kept in my collection. because I haven't kept, like I actually decluttered some of them. Okay, I take it back. I love this. I love this shade. Why do I don't know. I really like it though. It's very pretty pink. Now, same brush. I'm gonna go in with the shade Gaston. That's this one. This is, oh, I love that color. I'm just gonna take a clean motor brush and I'm just going to blend that all together now. I'm just dragging it. I do really like this palette. It is very, I actually, now that I'm like using it, I'm like, yeah, I like this way more than I thought I did. Oh yeah, that's so pretty. Just blend away, keep blending. And that's all I'm gonna use for this because I'm gonna do something else. This is like my favorite eyeshadow ever. I'm going to take my velour eyeshadow in the shade Holiday from AOA Studio. I actually just hit pan on this the other day. You can see it, it's right there. Oh, I love this eyeshadow so much that honestly, it doesn't matter what eyeshadows I use it with, I'm happy. So we're gonna just put that on real quick. And I'm just gonna pop it on real easy like this. So this is from Shop Miss A. It is $1. It is gorgeous. You can build it up, as you can see I'm doing right now. So just build it up a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. One swipe and I can do both eyes. And it just sort of gives a really nice soft glow to just about any eyeshadow look. I really, really like that. Oh, beautiful. I love that so much. I am going to top on just a little bit of bronze slash contour from this palette really quickly. So just give me a second. The next thing we're going to use is a blush from The Balm. I got this in one of my last Ipsy bags. I'll make sure I put it up here. I haven't used this yet. Oh, there's quite a bit of kickback, so we'll just tap that off and we're going to apply it to the apples of my cheeks and see how it goes. Okay, I am so like glowy right now. I love this foundation so much. All right, so that's pretty. Actually, that is a really pretty blush. It's a little extra blushy, but I love that. I really do like that. That's really nice. All right. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this blush. Actually, it's got a lot more pigment than I expected, so I am very happy about that. We are going to use a highlight that it's new to my collection. I think I might have used it on camera once, but maybe I did, maybe I didn't. It is the Ofra Covent Garden highlight. Oh, so pretty. But I'm actually kind of digging like the natural highlight that I have to my skin right now. Oh, that just gave that a lot more. Oh yeah, that's pretty. I like that. I like that a lot. Whoa. Ooh, okay, let's just take that down a little. That is a very blinding, beautiful highlight. I don't need this anywhere else, but I don't care. Oh, so pretty. You know how some days you just have good makeup days? Today's one of those days for me. I have a new mascara. I've never tried this before. I'm super excited to try it. This is the Essence What the Fake Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. It says that it has volumizing fibers, so I haven't even looked at the wand yet. Oh, interesting. All right, we're putting it on. We're gonna see how this goes.
My foot is asleep. Damn it.
All right, let's get right in there and see what happens. Okay. All right. That's pretty freaking good. You know what this is reminding me of right now? The Thrive, except a different brush style. I'm very interested to see how this wears through my day because so far, I like it. Let's do the other side. All right. I think I like that. I'm just like kind of, I don't know. It's not that I don't like it. I'm gonna go in with another coat and see what happens. Let's get closer. All right, let's keep going. Let's do a second coat. Hold on. I don't know. I like it. So I'm just gonna have to update, I guess, as the month goes on for my thoughts on this. It is pretty good for a first impression, and it was only $4.99. So whenever it's only $4.99, it's always a win for me. Anybody else? No? Okay. All right. Does anybody else only wear pajamas all the time now? Because it can't just be me. All right. I'm going to use this lip liner from Thrive Cosmetics. This is in the shade, I don't even know. Just going to use it. It's a lot more purpley than I thought it was going to be. Now I did that for a reason because I'm only going to throw a gloss on top and I really don't want to go in with a lot of lip products today. So I'm just going to take my Smith & Cult gloss. This is not new. I've had this for a while. It's part of my 20 and 20 project pan. I really like it. It's a really nice gloss. Super. That's all. So here's today's final makeup look. I don't even know what I talked about today, but thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Have you tried any of these products that I was trying for the first time? Super into this mascara so far. It's a lot, like, I don't know what I was expecting, so I'm really excited to keep trying this a little bit more. I absolutely love this highlight. It's just, oh, frig, yes, that's exactly what I want on my face. I really like this blush, actually. It's just giving me a really nice flushed look. Like, I'm super excited. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty excited about all of these things that I've tried today. I love sitting down. I love talking about makeup with you guys, and I love when I get to share it with you. So let me know, do you guys like any of these things? Do you hate any of these things? And how are you doing where you live? I live in Ontario, and things are what they are here. I am home. I feel like I'll be home forever. That's okay. I absolutely love you guys. I'm thinking of you. I love your support, and I hope you guys are all doing well. I will see you soon. Bye for now.